Hey everybody, today we're talking about the Amazon affiliate program. It's something I've been a part of the last couple of years and makes me a nice little chunk of change every year. And in this video, we're gonna talk about what the program is and how it compares to the Amazon Influencer program, how you can get signed up and set up with it, how to work with your affiliate links to get you making money online. And at the very end, we'll wrap up with some of my own personal tips, tricks, and opinions so that you can best utilize this program to build it out as an additional income stream. Welcome everybody, I'm Brandon Kyle. I teach people how to make money online through affiliate marketing, side hustles, and other online passive income streams. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, Amazon was one of the first programs that I first signed up with back when I started at the beginning of 2021. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is it's perfect for a wide range of different people, age groups, demographics, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, especially if you're a beginner, you're not sure where you want to go, you don't have a lot of money to invest into a business or sourcing products. You don't have to do that, and there's no customer service as well. You just promote a product, you get paid. It's just that simple. So we're looking at the Amazon affiliate program itself, but almost every large company or corporation has its own affiliate program. You can go to their website, you can probably scroll to the bottom and you can learn about what their program is, how it pays out, and then you can figure out how it is that you want to market it. And we're going to talk about that as far as Amazon is concerned today. If you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, you can take the 15-day business building challenge that's down below in the description. Not because I'll make a small commission if you take it, but because it actually changed my life and taught me a lot about online marketing, and maybe that can do the same for you. With that being said, Amazon's affiliate program is pretty simple and straightforward. We're going to look at the sign-up process here in just a second. But what makes it so alluring? Well, the great thing is everybody shops on Amazon, and they're going to pay you to drive traffic to their site. Okay, so as we go through this, we're going to look at the different links, but the short of the long is that you're going to create an account. You're going to have these different affiliate links that you're going to be able to create that can be any product or a product category. And as long as you get people on the site, they're going to get a little cookie installed in their browser. And if they make a purchase within 24 hours, you will get a commission on the total cart value. Okay, so the great thing is you could be promoting, I don't know, shampoo or something, and somebody's looking at it and they're like, oh, I don't really need shampoo, but while I'm here, I'm just going to get like some green tea matcha. Maybe I'll get some Band-Aids. I'm going to get these new, like, I don't know, snack chips that are over here. They fill up the cart and they check out. Okay, and you're going to make a total of that because Amazon knows if you get them on the site, people will spend money because we like shopping on Amazon. Okay, so that's what's great about that. So let's hop into the computer. Let's look at you getting set up and registered with Amazon. And then we're going to talk about how you can market these different links and drive traffic to the site so you can make money. Into the computer we go. Here we are, affiliate-program.amazon.com. All you have to do is Google Amazon affiliate program. It'll come right up to the top and it's going to drop you on this page here. So you can see here we are, Amazon's associate and affiliate program. Sign up, recommend, and earn, right? And you'll be able to earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So they have other programs on the back end where you can generate revenue besides just creating a link directly to a single product on Amazon itself. Okay, so we're gonna sign up. Before we do that, pro tip number one, do not, under any circumstance, use the same email address or the account that you use to purchase things off of Amazon at right now, okay? What you don't want to do is commingle, okay? This is the quickest way to get your account shut down, because basically what's going to happen, you're going to sign up, you're going to create links, you should test the links to make sure they work, right? And if you're doing that, you're cookieing yourself, and then later on you go to buy stuff off of Amazon like you typically would, and now you're making a commission off of your own product links. Does that make sense? That's against the terms of service of Amazon. Ask me how I know. Okay, that'll get your account shut down, and then you're just going to have to start over again. It's frustrating, it sucks. Don't do it. Okay, so we're going to sign up. I'm actually going to sign up with you, and I'm going to do it with a new email address so I can go through the process with you. So we're going to create a new account, and I'm going to be John Smith. Okay, so once you're in, you're going to just go through all the basic setup procedure right here, right? Put in your payee name. That's going to be you, your address, city, state, phone number, all of this stuff. So on the next step, your websites or your mobile apps. So you're going to need a way to promote these links, right? Is it going to be YouTube? Are you going to use a website, a blog, etc.? So you're going to put that here. I tend to use YouTube. YouTube works well for me, so that's what you're going to put here. If you don't have any of those, create a YouTube channel. That's going to be easier than creating a website. And so if I were to do that, mine would be YouTube, and I'm going to just do at Brandon Kyle Online. And just add that right in there. and this is here how it's going to be, right? Because at a later point in time, they're going to go through and verify that you're in compliance and doing all the things you need to do. So you will need to enter something here so that you can move on to the next step. And you can always come back and change it later and update and all of that great stuff. Are any of the traffic sources blah, blah, blah for children under the age of 13? No. What is your preferred associate store ID? This doesn't really matter, but just pick something that's easy. It could be a nickname. For me, it might be Brandon Kyle Online. It might be BKO. Whatever it is, you're not going to be able to change it, but we'll also be able to add more or different store IDs later on that you can use for tracking across different platforms. So just pick anything that's easy and convenient for you. Tell us about the content you create. Just a small sentence is good. I teach making money online and affiliate marketing. Which of the following best describes your content, right? So I do content or a niche website. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can hit finish and your account will be created. And now your account is created here. You've got your unique associate ID, but there's some important information right down here and some stuff that's changed, okay? So you may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify the account. Okay, in the meantime, you've got full access to the Associate Central, right? Here we go. If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to the Associate Central will be withdrawn. So you have 180 days, 6 months to make a single sale, or they'll shut your account down and you're gonna have to start all over, okay? Back in my day, it was only 90 days. They only gave you 3 months to make a sale. So obviously some things have changed. That's even better for you, okay? So we've got 6 months to start slapping some links out on YouTube or wherever else it's going to be, and for you to get a little bit of traffic and to make at least one sale and a commission so that we can validate the account. It's so easy now. Okay, so let's go into the back end so we can take a look at how this works. So now we're in the back end here. So we've got a bunch of different things. You've got your home, you've got product linking, so we can work on links, banners, etc., linking to any type of page. I'll go over those briefly, what types of promotions they're gonna have, your different tools, things of that nature, okay? So earnings overview. As time goes by, you're gonna be able to see what your clicks are, what you've made commissions on, and it's gonna spell it all out for you. And this is just kind of over the last 30 days and at a glance. If you wanted a bigger, fuller report, you can click here, and then you'll be able to come through your summary. Yes, and you can go through the last 7 days, 30 days, right? You can go through different quarters, through the years. Yes, all of this different stuff. And then I'm gonna show you in my other account what this really looks like so you have a better understanding. Okay, product linking, you can come up here and you can create product links. Now you can come through and you'll wanna tinker with some of this. I'm gonna show you an easier way to create links, yes, but you could link to a specific page if you want to by copying and pasting it. But we're also gonna be able to do it directly in Amazon, okay, with this login here, okay? So if we look at promotions, they have bounty programs, they have special promo codes where they work with different sellers who are offering like discounts and rewards. If you've got a blog or if you're kind of like doing any type of site where it's like, ooh, I got the hottest deals and trends and you can get a discount here, right? Like that's always pretty amazing because you can promote all these different products. So I'm just hopping into my account really quickly so you can see what this looks like so you have a better idea, right? So as things start to happen, yes, you'll see what your clicks are, what your commissions are, right? And at the very end, we'll talk about the difference, you know, like $1 here, $1 there. It doesn't sound like much, but once things get up and going, you can make a nice little chunk of change, okay? And we'll talk at the end the difference between high ticket and low ticket affiliate marketing, okay? But at a glance, so if you wanted to do a full report, like I said, you can click on this over here and we can go back into, let's say, the last year, okay? So you can take a look at this as a whole, right? So in the last year, if we look at the year of a whole, at least for 2023, you can see like how many clicks I was getting, how many things were ordered, right? Only $314, not a whole lot. I'm not getting rich off of it, but I didn't have to do anything, hardly any work on this. So it's really just been on autopilot, but used in conjunction with the Amazon Influencer Program, you can really grow your earnings up, okay? If we look a little lower down here at the tracking ID area, I have these blurred out, but just trust me, I have 4 different tracking IDs. Now, what's important about these is that now I have different tracking IDs for the different places where I promote my links, right? So I have a website, I've got a YouTube channel, maybe I'm using a blog. So you might want to create a new tracking link when you create links for each site so you can see where that traffic is coming from, right? So this top one in that last year, okay, got 25,000 clicks. This is off of my one YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel, all I'm redoing is or uploading uploading my product unboxing videos, okay, so that's another business I have. I do product unboxing videos for Amazon sellers. I get paid to create the video, and then I take that video and I upload it to the influencer program, and then I also upload it to my YouTube channel. So I got paid one time to make a video. All I have to do is upload it here and there. So when I upload it over here to my YouTube channel, I have a specific link for that so I can see how many clicks and traffic is coming just from this over here. So that YouTube channel itself, yeah, 25,000 clicks, right? 31 product orders, right? I made order revenue, another $7,000. And let's just say on the high side, I got 10% out of this. That could have been $700 earned right there, right? Obviously, we know we made $315. But my YouTube channel, right, brings me the most traffic. Okay, this other one is a smaller YouTube channel. This channel down here is actually like my hobby YouTube channel. So I'm into like drones and technology and cameras and like nerd stuff. Okay, and so I just put links up to that type of stuff. Okay, so that made me, I got 9,000 clicks, and I saw, you know, order revenue. That channel sold $1,100 worth of products. So let's hop over to Amazon so we can see how you can create specific product links so that you can create those links nice and easy. Okay, so when you're logged into your Amazon Associate account, you go to Amazon, you're gonna have this stripe bar up here, okay? And you can check out your earnings and all this other stuff, but let's just say you're shopping around. I'm just gonna use whatever's in front of me. Okay, so maybe you wanna promote a specific product. Maybe it's something that you've already purchased and now you're reviewing it and you're creating those links, okay? So let's just take these Bluetooth headphones, okay? So when you're on this Bluetooth headphone page right here, and now you can click on the text, get a link, and this is gonna pop up right here. And all you have to do is copy and paste this link, okay? I'm gonna show you what happens in just a second, okay? So you can pick your store ID. And remember, I just said we have different tracking IDs. We only have one for right now, but maybe you're gonna post this on your YouTube channel, and maybe you have a tracking ID that says Brandon Kyle YT for YouTube, so that you know that that's your YouTube tracking ID. Okay, it doesn't really matter. And then you copy and paste it, and when somebody clicks this, they'll be brought here to this exact page. So let me show you this, how you can verify this. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this link, I'm gonna open an incognito window, and I'm gonna copy and paste it. And now it's brought us to the page here. But how do we know that it's tracking your link, right? So that you can get the commission. So if we come up here and we look in the bar up here, yes, there's gonna be all of this crazy stuff, okay? And it's gonna be somewhere here at the very end, but you can see right here at the very end, tag equals Brandon Kyle -20. Okay, so this is how you know you're gonna be able to, like, your thing is working, so that way when somebody clicks your link, you're gonna get a commission, okay? So no matter what product you click on, while you're logged in, you'll always be able to create a text link down here. The short link is always the best. No one wants this big, crazy full link right here that's up here, okay? And lastly, if you wanna create links to a specific category of products or something like that, let's say you're writing a blog article on Samsung S23 Ultra cases, okay? So you just wanna drop them right here on this page. Instead of one specific product itself, you can do that as well, right? You're here. You can click the text, it's gonna create a link, and then once again, you can paste this into your blog, your YouTube, your website, whatever it is. Now, the last thing I wanna show you before we leave the computer is how I'm using YouTube to generate clicks and sales, okay? So you can monetize any of your channels on YouTube, and you don't need to have 1,000 or 4,000 followers or watch time, right? Because a lot of people make money on YouTube by monetizing their YouTube, but it requires a bunch of followers and a bunch of watch time, okay? So here's my life of Acro. This is my nerd channel, right? I've only got 799 subscribers, okay? So what happens is sometimes I do product reviews, right, on stuff, and I'm gonna click on this, I'm gonna show you. Okay, not important. So when you scroll down here into the description, yes, you can see right here, right? I typed a little description. I did a video on camera backpacks, right? These are all of my Amazon links right here, okay, that people can click on. Now, it's important that you put this statement right here on any of your websites. Anywhere and everywhere you're gonna put their things. It's in the terms and conditions, okay? Affiliate links, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. It's no additional cost to you and helps you support, okay? But at the very least, you need to have this right here. Okay, they give you a little phrase that's in the sign-on sheet. Okay, I highly recommend you read the rules and regulations. Okay, but that needs to be, and you'll notice this on all creators. Okay, but look, as I go down, because I'm into drones, I have this right here, right? I have this for all of my stuff. And once you get this set up, you can copy this into your account. Let me show you. When you're in your YouTube account, you can come down here to settings. and you can go to upload defaults. Okay, so whenever I upload a video onto YouTube, right, it already has this typed out, the affiliate disclosure, right? It has all of the links for all the things that I promote on the regular, and then it's already there. And then I can come back and delete anything if I don't want it, but I don't have to like create the links every single time, right? Like you might want to enter this into like a document or a spreadsheet so it's already there so it never gets lost. But as you start to create links for different things, maybe you're into knitting, handcrafted types of items, maybe you're a cook or a chef, maybe you're into like whatever. The world is your oyster, right? Amazon sells everything. Let me show you my one other channel. So this is my Brandon Recommends channel. If you're interested in learning how to start your own product unboxing business, okay, you can learn more here. This is really me just copying and pasting my videos that I did for customers. So they're all product reviews. But the great thing is if you've ever been on Amazon, you're like, let me see what kind of reviews there are for this particular product, right? You copy and paste the product name, you put it into Google, and reviews show up or videos. So I get a lot of traffic because of that onto this. But look, I've only got, where is my subscriber count? I only got 200 subscribers. But if you remember in the previous screenshot, I got 27,000 clicks last year because of this channel right here. And the same thing applies. So I do my reviews. Okay, this opens up, the same thing. I find it here, blah, 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 because they want to learn about this particular light bulb, right? And then if you're extra, you could always come down here and pin it as a comment as well. So it's even easier to find. So you would do something like this, right? Copy. I'm not even in the right account, but right, you would copy it, you would comment, and then you can pin it to the top, okay? But you get the idea here of what's going on. All right, so hopefully that wasn't too long-winded, but if you found this information helpful, if you could drop a like below, a comment, or even subscribe, that's always helpful for the channel and getting this out there to additional people. Now, overall, that's pretty much how you get set up, how you can create your links, and just one way in which that you can start promoting those links. For me, I like YouTube because I'm on YouTube already. I like creating videos as is, right? And so for me, that's a way for me to promote additional products, especially on my personal hobby channel. And I make a nice little chunk of change off of that. But that is just one way to use affiliate marketing to make me money. Now, although I only made a little bit with Amazon, on my drone channel, I make a good chunk promoting other drone products from those drone manufacturers directly. And that's the great thing about affiliate marketing is you can partner with pretty much anyone and everyone and promote their products, not just on Amazon. Amazon's just very convenient because it's a large marketplace and everybody is shopping there. But if you're in something that's more specialty or niche, something that might not be able to be found on Amazon, then you can start doing affiliate marketing for these other products. So once again, not to sound like a broken record, if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and starting your own online business, I highly recommend you take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. As I said, that's what I started at the beginning of 2021. There's a ton of information in there to get you up and running and learning the ropes. And then if you want to invest more in your education or additional resources or software or programs, you can do that. Now, I do also have another website that is an affiliate-based website. So if you'd like another video on that specifically on how to set your own WordPress or a WooCommerce site up and how to directly import products from Amazon without having to do it manually, I can make another video on that. Just drop a comment down below, and if there's enough interest, I'll do it. All right, hopefully you found the information helpful and beneficial, and keep in mind, this is just one of many different ways that you could be making money online, not only through affiliate marketing, but through side hustles and other online passive income streams, which is what I try to teach and bring to the people. But keep in mind that if you don't do anything, you're not gonna make anything. So try not to get stuck on YouTube University or analyzing everything and getting analysis paralysis to where you don't even do anything or being afraid of just wasting your time and not making money. Listen, there's something called failing forward. Okay, so every time you try to do something, even though you may not succeed, that's not a failure. You're learning what not to do again or how to refine the process and get smarter and more intelligent about what's going to happen next. So hopefully this helps. I'll see you all in another video.